Hello, this is Tanu N. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are going to be teaching you on how to make good African hairstyles. Those that don't have time to go out there to train, then this is your channel. Subscribe so that you getting my video notification on my videos anytime I release one. Thank you, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Good day, welcome to a YouTube video. Here we are trying to educate and teach how to make Didi. Locally we call it Didi. The Yorubas, they call it Adimole. You can see that I've done some. See how neat it is, and you can actually use a short hair to do it. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to section this. I have one left, so I'm going to section it into two. This is a traditional African hairstyle that we do at home. When you start, you just watch the way I move my hands. You pick the first one. This, and you cross it. You're actually sharing it into three. That's the other side. How I just want you to really watch it very well. You see, when I pick it, this one, I take a little hair with it, I separate it, then I pass it. Just watch my hands. Then I pick the other one. That's it. As a finished product, your Didi Adimole is set with a very short hair. Thank you. If you love this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.